see your training capacity. Okay. Go back that. Yeah, but now counting are all wet. Okay. Cool. Thanks, Ford. You know, I'm probably gonna get sick. I keep finding out. Fried and rain. Yeah. Cool. When I was training, I was going through the thing, I was just lifting up outside and saying, nice. There's nothing to do in the thing. It's definitely in the same way. Cold. Train, it's wet, it's cold. No one's calling me. Bored. I'm wondering who that number was. No, where's the connector? Oh, yeah. Oh, it is. They stopped calling me. Oh, actually, I don't know who it is. Oh, it is. Maybe Masha. Next time. Thank you. Sorry. Anyway, I just, like, got the number out. Yep, and then they're probably like, shit. Now I'm not fucking number on YouTube. I don't care. It's your fault for giving me your number. Cold, wet. My camera. Wet. Oh yeah, this. Cold, wet thing. I have nothing to do. I'm going to walk around with my AirPods because I have nothing to do. Checking battery. Good. Shithead. I guess we go find my chain. Yeah, I found it into my hot box. I was bored and I found it. If you notice in my hair, there's hair dye stuff. Yeah. And it's supposed to be music. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking of dye my hair hot pink. Well, it's bubble gum kind dish, but it's color and it's still in my hair, and that's why I'm wearing the hood. It's not too wet. I don't know how long it's been in. It said 10 minutes, but I haven't kept count, so I'm just leaving it in for a long time period of time and it'll probably work, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how color works. I tried it with blue and no. Yeah. This is my neighborhood. I got bored. It is boring. It's a boring place, really. My camera's getting really wet. I don't have cold foot, so it's not gonna damage anymore. It's doing good right now. Then a little bit in a minute, but then I was like, that's gonna be insane, but I ain't insane. I guess I felt like it, but I want to. Cold. Bored. No, I'm not texting anyone if you're wondering. I get bored and like, ah, shit. I'm calling you either. I don't feel like calling you. I'm bored. I'm not calling people. Don't bother me for like doing something fun. I like doing my projects. Because I'm bored doesn't mean that doing this. Yeah. I'm pretty popular on MySpace, but I don't even talk to them anymore. People just had me. I think because of the board. Cool. Now I'm gonna look through something again, am I? Yeah, I knew it. I'm going to switch over to real quick. I try to find a complete file and change this. No, don't Twilight. Yeah, okay, good talk. You know what? I'm gonna have to turn this off to the reverse thing. Because it does that a lot and when I make music. Kinda got addicted to a song and I got stuck in my head and oh shit. Woo! Cold. Just need to come back. Ah man, I'm dying! How many people? I'm dying! Okay, no I'm not. Good me. I do not have a warm jacket, if you're wondering. I do not. Cold. Ooh, 6 hours of boredness. I never can post this on YouTube. Oh, I can't go past 10, remember. Yeah. It's already going past 10. Almost. 7-ish. Fucking freezing! I just cursed. Okay. And how I keep trying to do something, and I just talk to me. I'm not dancing there, no, but yeah, dancing. Well, I need fun to help with that. Probably also. Some daring to do it and getting fucked up and I don't know why. Cause I'm gonna get cold after this. Watch. I already have one. I'm gonna get worse. Okay, I hope my mom doesn't see this YouTube video because she's like, what are you doing? I was home. No. Oh, walking in. Yeah, bored. What can you do? Nothing? Yes, kid. I see rain. I love rain. Trust me, I hate snow though. Well, I used to like snow, but now I hate it. Probably because my boyfriend loves snow, and now I hate it. My old boyfriend, now I hate it. I like rain. It reminds me of like fun stuff I've done in the rain. Not that kind of fun stuff people were thinking. Trust me, I'm still bored. That guy got nothing. Got nothing at all. 70 fun 60. He didn't. I'm finally getting anyway. Actually, no. Not supposed to say that, but we'll play there, so. Watching. I'm gonna stop this. Bye.